Madam Pekle Africa. All the way from Mercy Divine Properties Limited. It's a new week over here. How you doing? What's up with you? What's happening? Okay. So forget the English, Now Madam Pekle Africa is here. So right now, I want to remind you that Primrose Court Estate now is 25 million naira. Una know na self, those wey buy and when it be 15 million and 20 million, if your balance still remains small to pay, quickly and sharply they call Madam Pekle Africa, they collect company number, then they send them before your money go increase. You're already in profit even when you are not done paying and buying completely your plots of land. So make you use the advantage, balance up your money. They hear me so. That's by the way. Then we have another new estate called Premium Court, and Premium Court is also 25 million naira for instrumental payment and 20 million naira. The difference between Premium Court and Primrose Court is that one of them have a prototype. You're building the same type of house, but Premium Court, you will build whatever type of house that you like and love. But the good thing about it is that both of them are smart houses. Okay. Make you quickly call me, and also remember, say we also get Orange Highland that is currently selling for 4 million naira. Now, all thanks to the CEO. If not, right now, I'm supposed to tell you say na 5 million, but she said we could just use this Christmas carry and do promo by leaving it for same 4 million naira, and then the one of 6 million. If not, by now a new price for the hear from me. So make a clap for my boss. So I'm waiting for you. No need of talking too much. And remember the number to call 0903429651. Madam Pekle Africa, they here. As you see me now, I don't like going late to the office. So I'm already running late. I say make I quickly call, give you and tell you this new update. If you say na 1 million I hold, na 3 million I hold, na 2 million I hold, na 5 million I hold, quickly they run come. You dey hear me so? You must have a plot that me, Pekle Africa, will give you, because I don't want to make this year end without you having your own land. Even if you go pay finish next year, well, you must start am this year. You hear me so? God bless you. We can dance for you small. Should not allow me dance today. All right, see you later. Bye.